Wonderwall, you were here, or wish you were Wonderwall, whatever you call it. That's today's mashup. I'm Steve. I hope you're doing awesome. And I've got 2 different lessons on both of these songs here. They're 3-minute lessons because no one needs 4 minutes or 17 minutes. So check them out. They're easy to play. And Wonderwall has a capo on the 2nd fret. Wish You Were Here has no capo. So I just met in the middle for this, but whether you use a capo or not, it's really cool and fun to sort of mix and match and move through both songs seamlessly. You'll amaze your friends and your family and your dog and your grandmother, and it's a blast to play. So let me know what you think in the comments. Give me some more ideas for future mashups, and hit like and subscribe on your way out, and I'll catch you around the channel. See ya.